with the first one. What is Java? Java is high-level general-purpose programming language created in 1995 by James Gosling and is now owned by Oracle. Java is one of the most popular language in the world and is secured, fast, and powerful. It supports multi-paradigms such as object-oriented, functional imperative, etc. and has a huge community support behind it. It is used to develop mobile application, desktop applications, web servers, games, database connection and many more. And runs on more than 3 billion devices around the world. Now coming to the next one, how is Java program executed? A Java program is written and saved in a .java file known as a source code. This source code is then passed to the compiler, where it compiles into bytecode. Now this bytecode cannot be directly executed by the machine. The bytecode is translated into machine code first by the Java Virtual Machine, that is JVM, and then executed by the machine. Now what is this JVM? JVM is platform specific, which means every platform has its own Java Virtual Machine. Okay. So moving on to the next one. How is Java platform independent? The Java programming language is platform independent, which means the code can be written once and run anywhere. And this is achieved because of Java compiler that converts source code into bytecode. And this bytecode is platform independent and can be executed on any platform through Java Virtual Machine. For example, if a program is written and compiled on a Windows platform, the program's bytecode is first be translated into machine code and then can be executed on any platform, such as Windows, Linux, Mac OS, through their Java Virtual Machine. Now coming to the next one, what are the various access specifiers in Java? Access specifiers define the scope or accessibility of the classes, interfaces, variables, etc. It defines how they can be accessed from other parts of the program. And there are 4 access specifiers in Java. They are public, private, protected, and default. Now coming to public. Now when defined as public, the data items and functions are accessible from anywhere in the program. Next is private. When defined as private, they are only accessible from the class where they are defined. Now next is protected. When defined as protected, they are accessible from the classes that belong to the same package, the subclass of the class and from within the class where they are defined. Now next is default. And if you do not mention any specifier, then by default the default access specifier is active, which means they are accessible from all the classes that belong to the same package. So coming to the next one, what is a method in Java? A method is a block of code that performs a specific task. Methods are also called functions. Methods can also take input of the data in the form of parameters. Methods must be declared within a class, and they are defined by the name of the method followed by a parenthesis. There are methods which are already predefined such as system.out.println, and we can also define our own methods. Now, here is an example of our own method. Now, in this example you can see forward slashes which are comments, which are ignored by the compiler, but it is very useful for the user for better readability of the code.